Okay, so today question is minimum penalty for a shop. You are given the customer visit log of a shop represented by a zero index string customers consisting only of characters and an Y. So let's take the example. We have a given test cases Y and Y. If the I character is Y, it means the customer comes at the ith hour. Okay. If the N indicates that no customer comes at the ith hour. The shop closes at the jth hour. Okay, J is between 0 and N. The penalty is calculated for every hour when the shop is open, no customers come. The penalty increases by 1 for every hour when the shop is closed, customer come. The penalty increases by 1. Okay. If the shop is open and no customer comes, we have to apply the penalty. And if the shop is closed and the customer comes, then we have to apply the penalty. To return the earliest hour at which the shop must be closed to incur a minimum penalty. Okay, so we have to provide a best hour at which the minimum penalty will take place if it is closed at that particular hour. So first let's take the length of this, then think of the logic. Customers. Okay, so suppose we close, take this as an example, give it an index 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3. This. So suppose if we close at this first hour, so all the n before this are counted as penalty and all the y after this are counted as penalty because if we close at 1, okay, so means before 1 it was open, so all the n means customer didn't come at that particular time will be counted as penalty. Similarly, if we close at the first hour and after that y comes, it means shop is closed and the customers are coming, so still it is a penalty, so we will count it in a penalty. And yeah, we can think of two side case like zero, 0 hours when shop never closes. Okay, I mean shop is closed at the 0th hour, and at n shop never closes. So let's use the prefix and the suffix method to calculate the penalty. So let's first calculate the prefix. Let's give it a name n because all the n before that particular number, if particular index comes, that will be a correct penalty. So this is how we define n in Python. We will go for range n prefix at n will equal prefix n at index I plus 1 will be calculated as fix n at that particular index, and if customers at I is equal to n. So this thing will provide 1 if it matches, 0 if it does not match. Similarly, we can create suffix y for the for all the y after the particular index. So n plus 1. So for this we will go backwards. So for I in range 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 fix n suffix y at I is equal to suffix y at I plus 1. Suffix y at I plus 1 is this correct? Yeah. And customers at that particular I will be equal to y. So our prefix and suffix has been uh, created. Now create the answer. Give it the initially float infinity. Set it to infinity. Then we have to provide the best star. So you can simply give base star is equal to 0 currently. Star is equal to 0. Now just create a loop for range n plus 1 n plus 1 because you have to take the n also in the consideration. So what will be the penalty? Penalty will be all the n before that particular index. That means prefix n at that particular index plus all the y after that index means suffix suffix y that particular index. So we have got the penalty, and if penalty is less than the answer, you can simply put answer is equal to penalty. Answer is equal to penalty and base star is equal to I. Now we can simply return the base star. So I think this should work. Let's check. Yeah, test cases has been passed. Let's try to submit this. So our code has passed successfully. Thank you. Thank you for watching.